We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Speks Geode magnetic fidget toy, a sensory gadget designed for stress relief and creativity. If you've used this product, we'd love for you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Let's dive into what users love and what they don't about this intriguing fidget toy. The Speks Geode magnetic fidget toy is marketed as a fun, engaging, and versatile desk toy that caters to teens and adults aged 14 and up. It consists of a 12-piece set of pentagonal-shaped magnetic pieces that snap together seamlessly thanks to their rare earth magnets. Users have praised its premium build quality, noting that the magnets are strong and the plastic is resistant to scratches. The sleek design adds a modern touch to any workspace, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. One of the standout features of this fidget toy is its ability to promote relaxation and focus. Many users have reported that it helps them keep restless hands busy and anxious thoughts at bay. It's particularly popular among individuals who struggle with anxiety or attention disorders. For example, one user mentioned buying it for their wife with ADD, who initially found the limited shapes disappointing, but eventually grew to love the toy after discovering creative ways to use it. This highlights the toy's potential for fostering creativity and problem-solving skills. The versatility of the Speks Geode is another aspect that users appreciate. The interlocking magnetic shapes allow for endless configurations, enabling users to create mesmerizing structures or break them apart for satisfying sensory play. One reviewer noted that they started with a single set, but ended up purchasing 5 more because of the endless mixing and matching possibilities. However, some users felt that the limited number of pieces in a single set restricted their ability to create more complex designs, prompting them to buy additional sets. Despite its many strengths, the Speks Geode is not without its drawbacks. Several users mentioned that the pieces are smaller than expected, which can make them easy to lose. Additionally, the magnet's strength, while generally praised, was criticized by some as insufficient for maintaining certain shapes securely. This could be a safety consideration to prevent accidental ingestion by children, but it does limit the toy's functionality for more intricate designs. Another common complaint is the noise generated when snapping or stacking the magnetic pieces together. While some users found this sound satisfying, others with sound sensitivities or shared living spaces found it disruptive. One reviewer mentioned using the toy while watching TV to mask the noise, but this workaround may not be ideal for everyone. The price point of the Speks Geode has also been a topic of discussion among users. Initially priced at $20 per set, some customers were surprised by a subsequent price increase to $25. While most agreed that the product is worth the investment due to its durability and entertainment value, others felt that the price hike was unwarranted given the limited number of pieces included in each set. In terms of usability, many reviewers highlighted how easy it is to use this fidget toy in various settings. Whether at work during long webinars or at home as a stress relief tool, the Speks Geode fits seamlessly into daily routines. One user even mentioned buying multiple sets in different colors for their coworkers, who found it to be a hit in their office environment. The toy has also received positive feedback from parents and caregivers. One reviewer shared how their autistic granddaughter loved playing with it, while another mentioned how it helped their grandson concentrate better at school. These anecdotes underscore the toy's potential as a therapeutic tool for individuals with specific needs. On the flip side, some users found the toy underwhelming as a desk accessory due to its limited magnetism and design possibilities. One reviewer described it as okay, but ultimately disappointing because it didn't offer enough functionality to justify its price tag. This sentiment was echoed by others who expected more from a premium-priced fidget toy. In summary, the Speks Geode magnetic fidget toy has garnered mostly positive reviews for its build quality, versatility, and stress-relieving properties. It's particularly well-suited for individuals looking for a creative outlet or a way to stay focused during work or study sessions. However, potential buyers should be aware of its limitations, including its small size, noise level, and relatively high price point for what's included in each set. If you're considering purchasing this product, you can find it using the link provided in this description. Your support helps us continue creating detailed reviews like this one. And if you already own this fidget toy, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback could make all the difference for someone else deciding whether this is the right product for them.